Hi and welcome. It's Ron Saker here. Now, there's a couple of things I omitted in the previous video on creating a simple cover, and it's pretty important that we do this because otherwise I'm led you up the garden path. Now, you see these red bleed lines. You have to go into the PSD and make sure you uncheck. It's called layer 0. Uncheck that. Otherwise, when you turn this into a PDF, you'll have those red bleed lines, and we don't want that on your cover. Um, so make sure you remove that, and then it's really simple in Photoshop to turn this into a PDF, because you would just go into, let me bring it down to show you. You would just go into File, Save As, and change PSD to PDF and just click save. Well, save it to wherever you want to save the the PDF. All right. In fact, I'll actually do that because this is going. I want to show you what it looks like when it's completed. Save. Yes, we do. I've got a lot of things still happening on my computer, so it's taking a little bit longer than normal. I might be inclined to actually pause this, because otherwise it's like waiting for paint to dry or watching paint dry. Alright, so this is the PDF. I'm going to have to move it back and forward so you can see it in the video. Alright, so it's actually looking really nice. I like this. I claim this for mine. Oh dear, you're so funny. There you go. That's a real simple, stylish, sexy looking cover. So go forth and have fun. Talk soon. Bye for now.